Hello, welcome to this very important video of Learn English the Easy Way. This video is very important because this is a very much used daily expression that we use in English, and we have to know it because it's very important. So what do you say if you have something? For example, I have an umbrella, right? I have an umbrella. So I have an umbrella. She or he has an umbrella. Same thing. So if you use he or she, and you say has, or if I say I have, then you have, right? So having something, you have something, she has something. So this is the topic, have and has, and we have got and has got. So how to use have and has, or have got or has got? So let us see. Have and have got is similar. For example, they have a new car. They have a new car. And if I say they have got a new car, this is same. So they have a new car, similar to they have got a new car. We can use the same different sentences for the same meaning. I have a question. I have got a question, similar or same. You have a big garden. You have got a big garden. That means have equal to have got. Have equal to have got with the same kind of meaning. You can say I have a pen, or you can say I have got a pen. She has a pen. She has got a pen, right? Okay, so all these are related to have, and has is also similar. Just we use has with this kind of subject, he, or third person, any other third person. He is a third person singular number. John is a third person. She is a third person singular number. Just instead of have, we use I have, you have, they have. So all the plurals, they have. We use have with all the plurals, and first person or second person. But we use has with he has, John has, she has. For example, he has a problem. He has got a problem, equal. John has a brother. John has got a brother, right? She has a good job. She has got a good job. That means she is having a good job, right? She is doing a good job. So she maybe is a teacher in a good school, so she has a good job. So I hope you understood up to this that we can use have and have got. Similarly, has and has got, similarly for the same meaning. So how do we make questions with this kind of sentences? For this part, if we want to use have only, then we have to use do for the question. You have to use do for the question, yes or no question. So do you have a new car? Do you have a new car? Do you have a new car? So if you use this have and has, you have to do like this question. But if you make questions with this way, that means have got, has got, you have to say has or have at first. That means have you got a new car? Similar, but the pattern is different. So here you said do you have. If you only use have or has without got, but if you use got, then you have to put have or has in front, then other things, okay? But if you use only has or only have, then you have to say do you have, or in case of third person singular number, you have to say does. That means do and does, these are the tools for your question. You have to use these do or does for making questions. For example, does she have a car? Does she have a car? does and have. Okay, but if you make questions with got, then you have to say has she got a car. Clear? If you make it negative, then if you use do and does in the question, you have to say no, I don't. That means I do not. If you say no, I do not have a new car. If you make questions with do and does, you have to say do not, or you have to say does not. Doesn't, she doesn't, that means she does not have a car, right? And if you use got with has, so if you want to say negative, then you have to say she has not or hasn't, has not or hasn't, or I haven't or have not. Haven't equal to have not, hasn't equal to has not. This is the short forms, right? Contracted forms. So haven't is have not. I have not got a new car, or I haven't got a new car. She has not got a new car, or she hasn't got a new car. So you have to say got here with haven't or hasn't, and here you have to say don't, do not, or doesn't or does not with the have verb or other verbs. So have verb. You have to say have, don't have, doesn't have, right? Okay, look at one thing, that if you say does she have, then here have, no has, like she has, but here if you say does, then you have to say have always, not does she has, right? You have to say does she have. Okay, and also in the answer you have to say she does not have will be there. Okay, so we know the very important forms of have or has or have got or has got. So you can also take a screenshot of the sentences so that you easily understand everything of have and has or has got or have got. And finally, one more sentence like this. It is also used but less common. Has she a car? Like if you put the has in front only, without got, without do and does. Has she a car? Or you can also say in the negative, she hasn't a car. But this is less common. Okay, less common. So you don't need to use this. Just use these and these. These are the most common uses of have or has got or have got. So I hope you understood today's lesson, which is very important. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.